tired of searching for that wonderful pasta salad that your family can eat for the spring and summer months? Then look no further. We have just the pasta recipe for you. This caprese pasta salad is vibrant and it tastes amazing and it's sure to be a family favorite. So we're going to show you some of the key ingredients that you need. So right here we have a balsamic vinegar, mozzarella cheese balls, olive oil because we're going to make a homemade vinaigrette dressing, and don't forget your pasta. We have penne pasta, but you can use all sorts of different pastas. So you can do the bow ties. Bow ties would be a nice little fit too. So first we're going to go ahead and throw our pasta into the boiling water, and we're just going to cook our pasta. You're going to put a little bit of salt in there, and we're just going to cook our pasta until it's al dente, just until it's done, because you don't want to overcook it, but you don't want to undercook either. That'll be about roughly about 8 minutes or so, and then you can check it then. Okay, so and if you haven't already, you want to go ahead and chop up your basil, some fresh basil. We got our garlic, which we're going to mince. Uh-oh. Hold on. Okay, so we have our garlic minced, our basil shredded, and we're going to take our cherry tomatoes and just cut them in half. I'm going to try to do all this, get this done while the pasta is cooking. Try my best to multitask, make it more efficient. Okay, so we got our cherry tomatoes all diced. I went ahead and juiced us a lemon off camera as well. Now we're going to focus on making our vinaigrette, our homemade vinaigrette dressing. Okay, so we're going to take our extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use a wide jar or something that you should be able to mix it in nice and easily. Okay, and next I'm going to go ahead and add our lemon juice, some of the balsamic vinegar, add garlic, and we're going to go ahead and add some black pepper and some salt. Honestly, while I'm thinking about it, we're going to go ahead and add some Italian seasoning to this as well to help give it some more flavor. And we're going to go ahead and just take our immersion blender, and you're going to blend it. You can use a whisk if you have a whisk small enough to fit in the jar. Okay. Okay, and then go ahead and taste this. That's good. A nice vinaigrette to go with your caprese salad, pasta salad. So, now that that's all taken care of, go ahead and put this in the fridge. So you want to go ahead and strain your pasta, let it cool some, which I got ours right here. And we cooked this, like I said, just until it was done. It took about, what, 10 minutes? Yeah, so about 8 to 10 minutes roughly. Okay, so now we're going to use our mozzarella pearls. We're going to go ahead and put that in here. Ooh, and it came out as one big bowl. And just go ahead and break this apart. All right. Next, we're going to put some of our diced cherry tomatoes in here. Now, if you want to add more, you can add more. We're going to go ahead and add some of our basil. Let's give this a good mix around. And we're going to go ahead and pour our homemade vinaigrette. Let's go ahead and give this a good mix. And after we're done mixing, we're going to go ahead and just cover it with some saran wrap or something, place it in the fridge until it's nice and cool, and then we're going to top it with our glaze. So now that the caprese pasta salad is all cool, we're going to go ahead and just drizzle some of this balsamic glaze on here, and it'll help give it a little bit of a nice sweetness to it, you know, nice flavor. I'm just going to drizzle that on top, and now it's ready to serve. If this video was at all helpful to you, I said you give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Go ahead and comment down below. Are you going to try this caprese pasta salad? And turn on that notification bell. Make sure you check out our latest video uploads.